I ran into this last week. Here's what fixed it for me. If you need to cancel a membership on the Target Online app, follow these simple steps. Step 1. Open the Target app. Launch the Target app on your device. Make sure you're logged into the account associated with the membership you want to cancel. Step 2. Go to your account. Tap on the account icon, usually located in the upper right corner of the screen. This will take you to your account settings. Step 3. Find memberships. Scroll down to find the memberships section. Here, you will see all active memberships linked to your account. Step 4. Select membership to cancel. Choose the membership you wish to cancel. This will open a detailed view of the membership. Step 5. Confirm cancellation. Look for the Cancel Membership button and tap it. Follow the prompts to confirm your cancellation. Be aware that some memberships may require you to provide a reason for cancellation. Remember, if you accidentally tap the wrong membership, you can always go back and select the correct one. I hope this helps you navigate the cancellation process smoothly.